Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Spa Electrics Retro Replacement LED pool light. This is a multi-color, so it's got multi plus pool light. So if your pool light is broken and you need a replacement, you can get this one. So let's have a look and see what you can get inside this box. So in this box here there is a user manual. So I've got the RS lighting controller information. In here we've got the retro GKRX series warranty and user information as well. Here is a quick installation guide. So you've got the installation guide right here, show you how to replace it. And over here we've got some more instruction connecting the light cables, cable preparation, attach cable to light, okay, and so on. So you can go through that. Once you get the light, it comes with the box. Also here we've got some serial number and the information booklet. So again, another booklet right here, another installation guide. So they give me two installation guide in here, and here is the actual lighting itself. So here you can see, if I open it up, this is the top part of the light. So it comes just like this in the box. Now this costs around $400 to $450 to $500 even, depending on where you get them. But they are quite expensive to get. And that's the lighting right there. And here are the parts. So you got the screws, you got the cables, and you got some sealer. So this is the sealer, the sealant to seal around the edge. And here is the base. So there are two different base here. This is also an online video from the company itself, so you can go online and watch the videos on how you can replace it. So here we got the base plate, and looks like there are two different ones here that you can use. And that's it. So that is everything inside the box. There's nothing else. Now this will work with the RS Spa Electrics controller. Now this is the broken light that I need to replace. It is broken at the moment. There is another one on the other side, but once it is installed, that is what it look like. Okay, so that is the light there, and we have the controller right here. We can change the color when we press on the button. And then you got all the different modes that you can press to change the color on the light. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.